Hello everyone, myself Professor Ghodke. I am associated with Department of E&TC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we will see the interfacing of E square PROM using the I2C with ARM7 microcontroller of LPC2148. LPC2148 interfacing with E square PROM using the I2C. First of all, we will see the features of I2C module. Standard I2C component bus interfaces that may be configured as master slave or master slave. Arbitration between simultaneously transmitting masters without corruption of serial data on the bus. Programmable clock to allow adjustment of I2C transfer rates. Bidirectional data transfer between masters and slaves. Serial clock synchronization allows devices with different bit rates to communicate via one serial bus. Serial clock synchronizations can be used as a handshake mechanism to suspend and resume serial transfer. The I2C bus may be used for test and diagnostic purposes. Now, we will see some applications of I2C, interface to external I2C standard parts, serial RAMs, LCDs, turn off generators. Now, we can see here the I2C bus configuration. That is a block diagram of I2C bus configurations. Here the ST and SCL to two lines I2C bus connected with the other devices with I2C interface. Pull up register is attached here with the other devices with the I2C interface. Now, pin descriptions of the SDA0, SDA1 and SCL0, SCL1. That is input type will be the input output, and first SD is the I2C serial data. We can use the LPC2148 pins will be P0.32 and P0.14 for the I2C serial data of the pin SDA0. Now we can use the P0.2 and P0.11 for the I2C serial clock of SCL0. Now we can see here the different I2C registers name and addresses with along with the generic name and with the description. I2C I2C on set, I2C, I2 stat, I2 dat, I2 ADR, I2 SC, LH, I2 SC, LL, I2 C on clear. I2C control register is there, and SCL duty cycle registers low half word, SCH duty cycle register high half word, I2C slave address register, I2 ADR, I2C data register, I2 DAT, I2C status register, I2 stat, I2C control set register, I2C on set. Now I2C on set register is given here with the bit along with the bit and symbol with the description. So A is nothing but the asset acknowledge, SI is nothing but the I2C serial interrupt, S2 is nothing but the stop, STA start, I2CEN is nothing but the interface enabled, and last one is the result. I2C CLH or I2C SCL register. I2C frequency will be the we can calculate using this formula PCLK divided by I2C SCHL plus I2C HCLL, where the I2C SHLH count for serial clock high time period and I2C SCL will be the count for serial clock low time period. Now we can see here the algorithm for the interfacing of E square PROM interfacing using the I2C with LPC2148. First of all, start. Initialize I2C bus interface. Pin cell is required. We have to configure the P0.11 and P0.14 for SD1 and I2CH CLH is equal to the 50. I2C SCLL will be 150. We can set the I2C frequency according to the formulas. and transmit the slave address, page offset, number of bytes. Enable I2C bus interface. I2C on set will be 0x for 0. I2C CN is equal to the 1. Now master will transmit the start signal. I2C on set will be ST will be 1. Now next transmit slave address 7-bit address. Read write will be 0. Write operation. Next, wait for acknowledgement. Next, transmit page address and page offset at which data is to be written. Next, wait for acknowledgement. Next, transmit data using I2C data register. Next, wait for acknowledgement. Next, after successful transmission of data, master will transmit stop condition. That will be the STU is equal to the 1 I2C on set. Disable next will be disable I2C interface. I2C clear will be 0x00. I2C E&TC will be 1, and next will be end. And we can see this is the circuit diagram, or we can say the interfacing diagram to interface the I2C square pyramid, the LPC2148. Thank you very much for watching this video.